Today we're gonna be making nature cereal. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Candace and I'm back with another video. I'm a little hesitant, but we're gonna try it out. Let's see. Let me get into the ingredients for you, alright? You need pomegranate seeds, fruit of your choice, lemon, optional, and coconut water. Let's go. First, chop up your fruit. Next, add all your fruit to the bowl. Next, add your pomegranate seeds, and girl, don't be shy, okay? Don't be shy. This next step is optional, but definitely recommended. Your bowl of fruit, take some lemon, squeeze it. Get a spoon and mix it up. Now that you've gotten your fruit and your pomegranate seeds in the bowl, it's time to add the ice. I'm not normally one to add ice to my cereal, but I know it's a common thing, and that's what they did in the TikTok video, so I'm gonna do it too. Too many ice cubes. Oops. Now it's time for the milk portion of nature's cereal. Coconut water. Crack that bad boy open and pour. Now it's time to try it. Alright y'all, let's try it. I'm gonna be honest with y'all now. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it 100. Oh! That piece of ice. Okay. But this is actually really good. I know everyone keeps saying, just put it in a blender and smooth it out. I don't know. Something about putting it in a bowl, eating it like this tastes really, really good. And the coconut water, wow. Just Candace approved. Go try it out. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for your girl. Please comment, share, subscribe. Stick around for a while because I'd love to have you, and there's lots more videos to come. I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Peace. I'm gonna go eat my cereal.
Never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah.